hold up. We are talking about this right now. Why did he do this? They'll tell you, okay? There was a full one and there was a half one. He went and eat off my half one and then nibble down on the other one. And then said, why I don't eat this one? You should have left the half one that I was eating. Leave that. You have the whole big full one. Finish that.
I am giving you a piece of a fresh one now.
Why does it? Why in your man logic did you think that was okay?
Sharing.
That's not sharing.
That is literally
You had a full one to eat by yourself. Eat it. No, I don't want to eat some of yours. I'm gonna eat it. But I'm just saying, I had bitten off of one already. Why would you want to take from that? Have nothing to do with germs. It's just I was eating that one. There was a full one. Eat the full one. That don't make sense. Why?